Welcome to the online class. In this class, now we will study the different parts of the leaves. In the last period, we had seen the structure and function of the roots, stem. In this chapter, in this part, we will study about the structure and function of the leaves. First, what are the leaves? Leaves are the parts of plants which grows from the nodes. We can see there are different parts of the leaves. Leaves are generally flat, thin and green in color. Different parts of the leaves are lamina, leaf margin, leaf apex, petiole, stipule, midvein, vein and the veinlets. These are the different parts of the leaves. Now we will study the different parts of the leaves in detail. First, lamina. Lamina or the leaf blade is the flat surface which is generally green in color, and this is green in color due to the chlorophyll pigments which helps plant to produce their food. In the process of photosynthesis, green leaves produce their food. Different types of the leaves based on the size of the lamina. Then the leaf margin. The edge of the leaf is called the leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire, dented or low. These are the different types of the leaf margin which are present in the leaves. Then the leaf apex. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Leaf apex may be pointed, tapering or rounded. These are the different types of the leaf apex. Now, the petiole. The stalk of the leaf is called the petiole. Some leaves do not have petiole. These petiole attach leaves to the stem. The next part is the leaf base. Leaf base is the portion of the leaf which is attached to the stem. Last one is the stipule. A small leaf-like structure present at the leaf base is called the stipule. In some plants, stipules are present. Then, the next part is the midvein. Midvein present at the middle of the leaf. It divides the leaf blade into two parts. Midvein gives support to the leaves. Veins are emerges from this midvein, and the veinlets are emerges from these veins. This is the structure of the leaf. The functions of the veins are: vein gives support to the leaf and also carry nutrients and water absorbed from the roots to the leaves, and the food made in the leaves are carried towards the other parts with the help of these veins. Then the next part is the venation. The arrangement of the veins on the leaves is called the venation. In the reticulate venation, we can see the network of the veins, while the next arrangement is the parallel venation. In this, veins are parallel to each other. These are the main two types of the venation. Last part is the function of the leaf. The main function of the leaf is to produce food. Green plants produces food with the help of photosynthesis process. In this photosynthesis process, chlorophyll, food is made in these green leaves, and this food carried to the other parts of the plant with the help of these veins. Types of leaves. There are two main types of leaves, simple leaves and the compound leaves. In the simple leaves, only one single leaf blade and midrib is present in these simple leaves. While in the compound leaves, this leaf blade is divided into small leaflets.
At last, alternate, decussate, opposite and whorl. These are the different arrangements of the leaf on the stem. Thank you for watching this video.